Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 11th of December 2015. Starting off in the 5-minute chart, this is not recorded as yesterday, just the screenshot, although I will be overlaying a few bits and pieces from the recorded version as well. So we started off with a 50-point loss in the first trade, and when that happens, as I've said many times before, then you continue on to recover the loss, because that's how the law of averages works in trading. There was absolutely nothing we could do about this, and this situation here, this is what's known as the plunge protection team coming into the market to move the market higher. And I'm just going to switch to the daily chart to show you why. If you look at the lows of yesterday, this is a crucial area for the market, and the plunge protection team, as they are known, will on occasions come into the market to drive prices back to the upside. There's a lot of weakness around, and I keep saying it's not a conspiracy theory, it is a conspiracy fact that this Ponzi scheme is being kept alive, which is why it's now in this sort of sideways move, waiting to see what the Fed is going to do. Again, the trick to knowing when it's the PPT is the amount of volatility you get, and as the market came back to this area, the volatility really kicked in. We went down to the entry price. The market then started to become, that's not the right place, but in the right one, became volatile, and then as it just drove right back 40 points immediately, and then continued higher. The recovery then took place in the second trade, the market trading up and driving through the psychological level and the scalp there. So again, we can remove the scalp and the stop loss, and the market, or the target in this case, is the psychological level there, which we can see if I just already had the data box marked on, and the level was 17,650, and again the market stopping at this level, allowing us to actually recover what we'd lost on this one, and then before finding exhaustion, having recovered here with around 15 to 20 points profit. I think it was about a net of 21 points or something on that one that I actually got on that one, and then the market pulled back, and instead of sticking to my own rules, having made a profit in the first part of the session, I thought, well, maybe the market's going to continue higher, so I sustained a 42-point loss on this trade, bringing the market all the way back down. So then into the evening session, the market giving another chance to recover what was lost on the other trade, and a maximum on this one of 44 points. So a very, very strange day, which was started off by the plunge protection team there, moving the market to the upside. There's no other reason. There was no real major news out. Again, if you go back to the August the 24th video market alert, you'll see what really happened and how the plunge protection team will drive a market, and in that case and on that day was 600 points in 5 minutes. So the daily chart, you can see the market struggling to move higher. We've got these lower highs. It'll be interesting today to see if the market can come back, and also interesting if it does move lower, if the PPT will be out. That's the plunge protection team, not to be confused with the title of the software, coming back into the market to move it higher. In the implied volatility yesterday, 1611 up from the 1595. Again, this reflected in the chart because of the amount of volatility that was in the market during yesterday. Right, I've just forgotten one thing, which is the news. Let me just go back and have a quick look, see what we've got out today. From 1:30, we've got the PPI, core PPI, prelim UOM consumer sentiment at 3 p.m, high impact news item. May not want to be in the market for this one. 92.3, forecast at 93.1. Another economic news item that is likely to down rather than up. And the MPC meter, that's the UK monetary policy member wheel, is being wheeled out, no pun intended, at 3:35 medium impact. Shouldn't affect the US market too much. Right, that's it for me for this morning. I shall see you in Monday's edition of the Market Alert. Any other information I will let you know via email. And as ever, thanks for your support, also for watching. See you in the next one.